देखेंगे कैसा होगा लास्ट में क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं.
Guys, you noted, right? Nobody's standing behind. All you guys have to, look at the front. No, Sahil, look at the front. You need to deliver it. Come on, Patan is ready. Guys, everybody watch the move, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we started now. No questions, Patan. Come on, communicate. No, we are clients, okay? Come on, Patan. Come on, nobody's looking back. You should look forward. You are the delivery person. Come on, Kishore. Nobody's looking back. Come on, Kishore. Guys, can somebody take a video for me, please? Yes. Come on. Don't look back. Don't look back. People standing here.
Vasant will hate Pakka.
Guys, you all know what was the right move. Right? Come on, Naveen. You already observed that. That's why I said don't turn back. He's a studious person. No teaching only required for you. You can deliver. You can go ahead. Naveen wanted to perform.
Hey, Vasant, don't tell that now.
Come on. Okay. Observe the move correctly. Come on. That's all. Come on, Sahil. No, one more time. Come on, Sahil. End the delivery you should do. Come on. Come on, Sahil. Come on, Girish. You need to deliver to audience now. You need to. Come on. No repetition. It's a one-time move.
Come on, sir.
No, do the same move and finish this off.
What he has done, I should say.
No. You need to repeat the same move. Yeah.
Yeah, I think he's.